Hi there, I'm Sean Dillman. In this video, I'll be showing you how to tally receipts using a ScanSnap scanner, ScanSnap Home, and ABBYY FineReader for ScanSnap. If you've already seen my other video on how to tally receipts, I've got good news for you. The technique that I'll be showing you in this video works even better and requires less steps. Before I begin, please note that the technique that I'll be showing you in this video works with any ScanSnap, including the IX1600, IX1400, IX1300, and IX100 scanners. Also, please note that this video is sponsored content brought to you by Ricoh, but as always, all the opinions expressed are my own. To get started, I'm assuming that you already have a ScanSnap scanner and you already have ScanSnap Home installed. However, you may or may not have installed ABBYY FineReader for ScanSnap. ABBYY FineReader is an additional piece of software that's available to you as a ScanSnap user. If you don't already have it installed, open ScanSnap Home, click on Help, then Online Update, and then check for updates to launch the ScanSnap Online Update tool. Check on Proceed to Updates, and then click the box next to where it says ABBYY FineReader for ScanSnap. Click on Install, close ScanSnap Home if it's still open, and then click OK, and then Next. ABBYY FineReader for ScanSnap will now download and be installed on your computer. Now that I've installed ABBYY FineReader, I'll scan a stack of receipts that I have from a recent home renovation project. Even though I'm scanning these receipts right now as a demonstration for you, keep in mind that if you already have scanned receipts in ScanSnap Home, you can use the technique that I'm about to show you without needing to scan your receipts again. Going to my IX1600, I'll select the receipt profile on the touchscreen and then load in and scan my stack of receipts. Once my receipts are scanned, they'll come up here in ScanSnap Home and I can see that I have nice clear scans. I can also see in this column on the right-hand side that information about each receipt has been detected and saved, including the name of the vendor, the date, the amount, and payment type. This is the information that we'll be collecting from each scanned receipt when we make our tally. At this point, I'll press Ctrl and then the A key to select all the receipts I just scanned for my home renovation job. Or I can hold down the Shift key and select them all using my mouse. But keep in mind that I can also select receipts non-sequentially by holding down the Ctrl and Alt key as I select them with my mouse. For example, if I wanted to select the receipts from the Home Depot, I can select just these ones out of all of my scanned receipts. Okay, so now that I've selected my receipts and I'm ready to tally, this is where the magic happens. I'll click here on File, then Output the file, then Output Receipt Information, and then CSV, which stands for Comma Separated Value. A CSV file can be opened in different applications, including Google Sheets and Microsoft Notepad, but the best software to use is Microsoft Excel, which is the software that I'll be using. A window will come up which says Save Receipt Information, and I'll need to select a save location and provide a name for the tally file that will be created. In this case, I'll name the file Home Renovation Receipt Tally, save it in my Home Renovation folder, and click Save. I'll now open the CSV file in Microsoft Excel by navigating to it in the folder within my operating system, or by opening Excel and navigating to the file in that software. And voila! As you can see in the file, I have a beautiful spreadsheet listing my receipts and showing various kinds of information about each one, including the vendor name, receipt date, and amount. The first thing I'll do is select the data and then click Format and then Auto Fit Column Width so that I can easily see all of the information. I can now also use the Sum function to tally the amount column and see that the sum of the 12 receipts is $267.91, including this receipt, which is actually a negative amount for some items that I didn't need at the end of the job, and I ended up returning for a refund. I can also hover over the E column, wait to see the down arrow, left click, and then select Sort and Filter, and then click Sort Oldest to Newest. Then click Expand the Selection to organize the receipts by date. If I find that any of the information for the receipts is missing, or if there are any comments that I'd like to add, I can either enter it here in the spreadsheet, or I can enter it in the Receipt Information section within ScanSnap Home before exporting a new and updated CSV file. The last thing I'll point out here is that ScanSnap Home with ABBYY FineReader even detects the payment method, whether I paid with cash or card, and if I used the card, whether it was debit or credit, and the final four numbers of the card that I used. This feature can be invaluable for people who are undertaking larger projects and need this information. For users who need even more power and want a solution that works with bookkeeping software, check out the Ricoh ScanSnap IX1600 Receipt Edition Scanner, which has even more receipt-specific features and integrates with QuickBooks Online. For more information, you can check out my YouTube video where I review the IX1600 Receipt Edition, talk about its specific features, and show you how to connect it to QBO. So there you have it. That's how you can tally scanned receipts using ScanSnap Home and ABBYY FineReader for ScanSnap. If you liked this video, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please be sure to check out my videos in which I show you how to install and set up the ScanSnap Home software. If you want to learn more about specific scanners, check out my videos on the Ricoh ScanSnap IX1600, ScanSnap IX1300, and ScanSnap IX100 scanners. And if you don't already have a ScanSnap scanner, stay tuned to my channel for a free giveaway that I'll be announcing, which will give you an opportunity to win a brand new Ricoh ScanSnap IX1600 scanner, courtesy of Ricoh. Thanks again for watching. As always, I'm Sean Dillman.